How to log in. In order to log in, please follow the following steps. First, go to www.salvagereseller.com. Then click on the Sign In button located on the right side of the header. Next, you need to enter the login credentials you received from us by email. After entering your email, address, and password, click on Login. Please do not enter any card information here. On the next page of Salvage Reseller, being the first time you log in, you must enter your account information, such as phone number and address. Then click on Update Information. The next page will show a message stating that your account information has been updated. Scan ID or passport when first log in. To be allowed to bid, you must provide a valid government ID documents, such as a driver's license for customers in the United States and Canada or passport for customers from any other country. If you are ready to submit your ID, please click on the Identification tab and choose to upload or scan your ID once everything is up to date. After completing these steps, you are already logged in and ready to bid. Please contact us if you need any assistance. Salvage Reseller, the most convenient place to buy salvage cars.